Welcome to Chapter 1. This is where your trading journey truly begins. Think of it as your launchpad, the platform that's going to set you up for everything that comes after. Whether you're brand new to trading or you've been around the edges and just want to firm up the basics, this chapter is where we anchor down the essentials. Because here's the truth, in trading, you don't build on shaky ground. You need a strong, steady foundation to tackle the chaos of the markets, and that's exactly what we're laying out here. Now, let me level with you. Trading isn't just numbers on a chart. It's not some quick get-rich trick, and it's definitely not about chasing every shiny opportunity that pops up. Trading is a craft. It's equal parts science and intuition, knowledge and discipline, patience and persistence. And at the heart of that craft is knowledge. Knowledge is your trading superpower. It's the thing that keeps you sharp when the markets turn wild, the thing that separates those who last from those who burn out after their first losing streak. And here's the exciting part, you don't need to know everything at once. You just need to start with the right fundamentals. That's what this chapter is, 10 battle-tested tips that every single trader, no matter their style or strategy, needs to know. Think of them as your starter toolkit. These aren't just nice-to-haves. They're the backbone of a strong trading plan. Your guardrails against risk, and your fuel for long-term success. So let's set the stage. What are these 10 fundamentals? First, you'll need to get a real grasp of market dynamics. That means understanding what actually makes prices move, supply, demand, the constant push and pull of buyers and sellers, plus the larger economic and geopolitical forces that ripple across the charts. Without that, you're just guessing. Next, before you even think about throwing real money on the line, you're going to want to practice. A demo account is your training ground. It's where you test drive strategies, experiment, and make your rookie mistakes without paying for them in cash. And once you've built a bit of confidence, you'll need to define your goals. Are you here for quick wins, or are you in it for steady wealth over time? Because your endgame shapes everything, from the strategies you choose to the risks you're willing to take, and that brings us to the real cornerstone, having a plan. A proper trading plan. It's your map for navigating the markets, with clear entry and exit points, defined risk rules, and position sizes that keep you in the game even when trades go against you. Without a plan, you're just drifting. With one, you've got structure. Now, you can't talk about trading without talking about risk management. This is your shield. It's what protects your capital, ensures you live to trade another day, and keeps you from blowing up your account after one bad move. A simple stop loss can be the difference between a small scratch and a deep wound. Of course, markets don't exist in a vacuum, so you need to stay informed. News, economic events, even sudden geopolitical shocks, they all filter straight into the charts. Staying ahead of the curve isn't optional, it's survival. Then there's the emotional side, fear, greed, impatience, overconfidence. If you let them run the show, your trading career will be short-lived. Discipline is non-negotiable. You've got to stick to the plan, even when your gut is screaming at you to do something reckless, and here's where the long game comes in. Success in trading is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's about consistency, stacking small wins, and protecting your downside. Over time. That's what separates the traders who last from the ones who flame out. One of the best tools for staying grounded in that long game is keeping a trading journal. Every trade, every decision, every outcome, logged, reviewed, analyzed. It's where you catch your blind spots, double down on what works, and weed out what doesn't, and finally, never stop learning. The markets are alive. They evolve. Strategies that worked last year might stumble tomorrow. The only way to keep pace is to stay hungry, stay curious, and keep sharpening your edge. So that's your 10-point foundation. And here's the thing, these aren't abstract ideas. They're actionable. They're the habits and frameworks that, when stacked together, form your launchpad. Follow them, and you'll cut your risks, sharpen your skills, and give yourself a real shot at building a sustainable trading career. Ignore them, and, well, You'll find out pretty quickly how unforgiving the markets can be. At this point, you've already gained something powerful: perspective. You now know what matters most in trading and where to focus your energy. You've got a framework for education, a reason to start with a demo account, and an understanding of why discipline beats emotion every single time. You've seen how a plan holds you accountable, how a journal sharpens your self-awareness, and how staying informed keeps you from being blindsided. Add in a daily routine to keep yourself steady, and you're no longer just dabbling. You're building, and let's not forget, this is just the beginning. Chapter 1 is about getting your feet on solid ground. But from here, we're going to dive deeper, layer by layer, from risk management to strategy design to understanding bigger picture cycles in the market. Keep this always in mind: markets will always shift, conditions will always change, and strategies will rise and fall. But this foundation, knowledge, discipline, and risk awareness, that's your anchor. It's what turns you from a market tourist into a trader with staying power. So take a deep breath, lock this foundation in, and get ready. Because now, without further ado, we're stepping into tip 1, educate yourself.
Thank you for listening to the Ultimate Trading Guide for Novice Traders, brought to you by bellsforex.com AudioWorks. We hope this chapter has given you the insights and confidence to start your trading journey with purpose and discipline. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Your trading success starts here. If you find value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading tip. Your support helps us grow the channel and bring you more free trading education. And of course, share this with anyone who's starting their trading journey. It might be the nudge they need to trade smarter. You can visit bellsforex.com to access the complete guide for free, or grab your copy on Amazon in Kindle or paperback. Until next tip, trade smart and trade confidently. Happy trading!